Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another testnet video, and today we will need a Metamask wallet to mint an NFT on Binance Smart Chain mainnet, integrate combo testnet, and send Binance Faucet tokens. So you must have at least $10 worth of BNB coins in your Metamask wallet to pay the gas fees. If you don't have a Metamask wallet, you can watch our tutorials from the link below. Also, you can watch our exchange tutorials to learn how to buy and send tokens to different wallets. You can always subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram community to keep up with upcoming events. Now, let's get started. Combo Network is a blockchain ecosystem that seeks to disrupt traditional social media, advertising, and gaming industries by offering decentralized solutions. By leveraging blockchain technology and fostering community participation, Combo Network aims to create a more transparent, efficient, and engaging environment for users, advertisers, and developers. By leveraging the advantages of blockchain, such as immutability, decentralization, and trustlessness, Combo Network aims to create a fair and efficient environment for users, advertisers, and developers. The network offers various features and tools to support developers in building Web3 applications, including scalability solutions for game development, social media integration, advertising mechanisms. Additionally, Combo Network emphasizes community participation and engagement. Early users can contribute to the network by providing feedback, testing applications on the testnet, and shaping the direction of the ecosystem. This community-driven approach ensures inclusivity and enables continuous improvement and development of the platform. Now, let's start our testing. First, we must mint our Combo NFT on Binance Smart Chain main network by paying actual BNB coins as gas fees. Click the Now Mint button and connect your Metamask wallet to do the transaction. After minting the NFT, add the Combo testnet and Binance Smart Chain testnet to your Metamask wallet. You can find the network details for Combo testnet at the bottom of their website. Click on this box and confirm the request from your Metamask wallet. Later, come to this page and connect your Metamask wallet to add the Binance Smart Chain testnet. And after that, join BNB Chain Discord to request Faucet BNB tokens. You will find all the links below this video. After requesting your Faucet tokens, come to Combo Bridge, connect your Metamask wallet, and send BNB Faucet tokens to your Combo testnet. And last, use the ZK Bridge website to import your NFT from Binance mainnet to Combo testnet. Connect your Metamask wallet, select BNB Chain, click on the Import My NFT button, and confirm the request both from here and from your Metamask. Do all these before the deadline and participate in the upcoming airdrop. This is the end of today's video and I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed it, drop a like under it and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.